Welcome! In front of me I have Meizu M6T, and today I'm going to show you how easy you can apply screen protector on this device. At the first we have to prepare the good source of the light, like in my case, to see a very mess on the screen. And of course, when you open box with tempered glass, you can find the tempered glass and the wipes, wet and the dry, and in some cases you will be also able to find the stickers to take off this kind of the piece of the dust from the screen. But in my case I cannot find something like that, so I will show you how you can remove the dust from the screen by using wipes. But at the first, let's clean our screen from the fingerprints and other mess. So let's grab wet wipe. Wait a minute, it's stuck in the box. Okay, here I have it, and let's clean the screen. Okay, and right now we can move to the dry wipe. I was about to say the dry one, but I just misspelled this word. Now you can make the gestures like the circle, and as you can see right now our screen looks much better. So we can focus to take off the piece of the dust from the screen. We can make something like that, just taking on the right side from the whole screen. Okay, I think that right now we are fine, and we can move to the installation process. So you have to grab your screen, I mean your tempered glass, and you have to grab this foil and just take it off like that. If in your case this foil, I mean this stickers doesn't follow with the foil, okay, in my case it followed the foil, but if you cannot take off this foil, you have to put your finger right here, I mean the nail, underneath this foil, and then just take it off like that. You know, in some cases this happened. This is not good quality of the product, so yeah. And right now I think that we are going to start with the upper section of the screen, but you have to take a look one more time on the screen, and as you can see something pops on the screen right here, so we have to take it off. It's very important because when we lift something like the small hairs or the dust, they will get the air bubbles, but we don't want to get it, right? It's annoying a little bit. Okay, and right now it looks fine, so let's put the screen protector right here. Let's put it like that. We can turn on screen. Okay, here we got the middle of the screen, so we can leave it like that. Let's put the bottom part, and then you have to keep holding the upper section, and you can swipe with your finger like that and put the upper section. And as you can see, it goes almost automatically. You don't even have to touch the screen, and it sticks, right? The next step is just to grab the wipe and then press and take off this air under our tempered glass. Okay, and as you can see right now it's finished. So right now we can easily turn on our device and just feel free to use it. You don't have to be afraid of any scratches. We are right now protected with this tempered glass. So that's how we can apply screen protector on your Meizu M6T. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!